Editing time tracking in Jira allows you to adjust logged work, remaining estimates, or adjust time tracking settings for issues. Here's how to do it. Log into Jira. Access your Jira account with appropriate permissions to modify time tracking details. Find the issue. Navigate to the project containing the issue you want to edit. Use a search bar or browse through the project's issue list to locate the issue. Open the issue. Click on the issue key or summary to open its detailed view. Edit time tracking. In the issue view, find the time tracking section. This section displays details like original estimate, time spent, and remaining estimate. Modify time tracking details. Click on the Edit button. To change the original estimate or remaining time, update the respective fields and click Save or Update. To log new work, enter the hours worked and the comment, then adjust the remaining estimate if needed. Click Log or Save. Verify changes. Check the updated time tracking details in the issue view to ensure they reflect the changes made.